Hello and welcome to Erika Cooking. In this video we're going to be making a replica copycat Chick Fil A sandwich. Actually, I'm going to be making a Chick Fil A deluxe. So this is for my people who love Chick Fil A but would like to make it at home. Let me show you. I have all my ingredients here. So on this plate are all our seasonings that we're going to use for our flour. So I have smoked paprika here, some cayenne pepper, garlic powder, pepper, sugar, and some salt. Now you can use any salt. I had pink salt. I wanted to use that kind. So you can use whatever you want. And I have in this cup some flour, some milk, some eggs, and this is baking powder. And then I have brioche buns right here that I'm going to use for a sandwich. I have some chicken brown and I'm going to get to that in 1 minute. But this is what you'll need so far. And of course lettuce, tomato, all that good stuff. The chicken, I have this browning and some buttermilk. This was sitting in the refrigerator for like an hour. I would highly suggest browning the chicken like a day before or maybe like an hour before you're going to make the sandwich. It just makes everything extra tender, so we got some browned chicken. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is get our flour mixture together. So I'm gonna pour in flour in this bowl. Then I have baking powder. And next we're going to mix in all of our beautiful seasonings. Looks like a canvas, right? Shake it all in there, y'all. Get everything in there. I'm going to mix that all up. Mix it all up real good, y'all. And you can see all the spices. In this other bowl, we're going to make our wet mixture. So for this, all we're going to need is 1 cup of milk and 2 eggs. Go ahead and whisk that egg up. So we're going to take our chicken from here, add it into our egg mixture, and then dip it into the flour. I'm gonna go ahead and pour my oil in. Need about 2 cups of oil because I want to submerge the chicken into the oil. Let that heat up and then go ahead and get ready to coat your chicken. But you want to coat your chicken closer to your oil being hot because you don't want it to just sit. You want to go straight into dipping into the fryer. So I'm gonna let this heat up a little bit and then we'll get started with that. I'm gonna go ahead and take this mixture and put it into our milk. And we have 4 chicken breasts in here. Let's go ahead and let those sit. If you're new, hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications bell so you know when I post. I'm going to be having brand new recipes coming for y'all left and right, so you want to make sure you subscribe. Just going to brown just a little bit more to mix that real good, y'all. If you guys don't mind, please give me a like. It do help my channel. And share this with your peoples because I know they like some good food. Okay, I'm going to take about a tablespoon of the milk and I'm just going to put it in our flour. I just want to add a little bit of crunch to our flour, so I'm just going to just mash that up with my fingers. Add a little bit of that crispy coating. Add a little bit more if you like. You just want to just mash that through your fingers. I think I'm gonna add just a little bit more since we have 4. There we go. Get this other part right here. Just like that. Just crumble it up. And those crumbles will show up on your chicken after it's done frying. Okay, so our grease is popping, so we're gonna go ahead and coat the chicken and get that right in there. Make sure you press down on there to get the chicken coated all the way. I don't know if you could tell from here, but it looks very seasoned. And dip that right in there. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same exact thing with these other ones. in there. Mash it down. It smells so good, the seasoning. You can smell that smoked paprika. Really the most. Now these chicken breasts, they were regular boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I cut into 4. So it's 2, sliced it down the middle so that we can make 4 chicken breasts. Okay, so look at this one. Okay, put that in there. Last one here. Look at all that crispy stuff hanging off the edge of there. Okay, so our chicken is all done. Oh, look at this chicken. Okay, now we're gonna get our bun toasted. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop a little bit of butter in here. I'm just gonna toast them just a little bit. I'm gonna be using these brioche buns. This is the first time we having them, but I'm gonna try these. You can use any hamburger bun you like. I'm just gonna lightly toast my buns. I'm gonna cut one of these open for you guys so you can see. Okay, some American cheese on there. Look at that crisp in there. Okay, now we have our buns toasted, so I'm gonna go ahead and start dressing my sandwich. Some Chick Fil A sauce. Take my chicken and just smash that down right on there. Some lettuce, because I'm turning mine into a deluxe. Oh yeah, I almost forgot that pickle. You can't have a Chick Fil A sandwich without the pickle, so you gotta add that pickle. Y'all, look at this chicken sandwich. Oh my gosh. I outdone myself with this one right here. It is so flavorful. It's almost better than Chick Fil A. All you need is some waffle fries and you are your own little Chick Fil A hut. Follow me on my social media. My name is Erika Cooking on all of them. This recipe was definitely fun to make and y'all can't say I didn't show you. I heart food and I heart you, and make sure you share this with your peeps. Until the next time.